Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are well, stay safe, stay at home. And in this video, I'll be reviewing two beautiful sarees of ethnic roop. Ethnic roop is very popular nowadays. It is recent and it's very popular for ethnic wear in India, and these two sarees are unbelievably amazing. One is black saree and another one is a very beautiful embroidered blue saree. Hope you like both of them. Before I get into this video, please do consider subscribing to my channel, like this video and leave your comments in the comment section below. Please also do tell me if you want me to review any product that you have seen, and I'll try to get it done. So moving on, our first saree is a black saree with a golden sequence work. This black saree is basically of a georgette kind of material. It's very silky material. The whole saree basically has such round sequence work, and it's about the diameter of the sequence work is about up to the first line in your index finger. It's about 1 centimeter, and the border is pretty simple, plain golden color, and it has small sequence work lines going through them. It's very decent, very simple thing, and also very elegant to wear in parties and stuff like that. So the saree starts like this with a plain simple one. There is no border for your waist side, and then extends like this, and the border starts slowly as it wraps around near the pleats at the bottom, and then ends with a very heavy sequence work on the end of the pallu. So this basically the whole pallu material, whole pallu will have the small round 1 centimeter dots all over the saree, and in the end of the saree it's about a feet and a little bit more of very beautiful border work. And as you can see, first the same design as it was done in the whole border, and then we have a patch of very beautifully round polka dots in between, and then they end it again with the same design as the border. It's very simple, very elegant, and it look amazing for parties. The price of this will be mentioned on your screen. I bought it for around 2000 rupees, and I would say that this saree is totally worth it. Only thing that disappointed me or I did not like about this saree is the blouse material. The blouse material is a plain black simple silk blouse, and it wasn't very appetizing, and it wasn't the material that the saree is of. The saree is of kind of georgette material, and the blouse was of silk kind of material. And but one way if you see it, then the blouse will also be very comfortable. They have given about 1 to 2 meters of blouse material, but it was plain black blouse, and it did not look very nice, and also did not match so much with the pictures that they displayed on their screen. That was the only thing that did not satisfy me when it came to this particular saree. But it's also very beautiful saree, so you can wear a plain golden color blouse with this. A normal one, I'm pretty sure everybody has it at home, and that's some basic need. I will leave a few links down below where you can buy golden sarees and golden blouses, I'm sorry, and this sarees link will also be listed down below. Do not forget to check out the description box for more details. Moving on to our next one is a very pretty light blue color saree. This saree is out of the world. It costed me around 2200, around 2200. The exact price will be given on the screen, and hope you like the saree. Getting into it. So this is the sari. It starts with a plain wrap around your waist, and then we have a very beautiful embroidery work. It has a flower and few leaves and pearl work all over the body. There are small pearls everywhere all over the body. It is very beautiful. It is a very heavy work sari, I have to tell you that. The color is really vibrant color. It has these embroidery all over the body, as you can see. And as far as the border is concerned, the border is also very heavy. The border in itself is a little bit smaller than a foot, and the border is very heavy. It has very beautiful floral work on it. The work is very elegant. It is very well finished. And at the end we have this kind of goldenish silver border that ends with curls like this. You know what I mean, like small curves like that at the end. It has got very beautiful finish. And not only that, at the end of the border, the 1 foot border that I'm trying to tell you, has also small moti work which is stuck with glue. It is not stitched together, it's stuck with glue, but it is of very good quality. The whole border in itself starts after your wrap around the waist, and then through your pleats it will be there. So you can imagine the look, how beautiful it will look. And after that, after your pleats, it again becomes simple. The border ends up, and we have a small border given for your pallu area, and then finally it ends up with a simple lining of border like this on your pallu. So basically the work of this sari is focused near your pleats, and the whole body has a pearl work. And the end border is basically silverish golden color, very silver. It's a complete silver wire thread embroidery with a very small tint of golden color. So that color is really beautiful, and I don't know how you're able to see it in the video due to some editing and stuff. The color might be little bit different. I really do apologize for that. And but the color is really beautiful, believe me. The sari in itself is light blue color. It's very vibrant. And in the pallu we have additions of blue colored pearls, along with your normal white color pearl that are already available throughout the body of the sari. And the down embroidery, 1 foot embroidery, is a combination of a very beautiful purple color. Actually not purple, you can say that it is a little bit darker shade of lavender color with a very beautiful very pale and very beautiful subtle pastel blue color. And of course the border is again silverish with a golden tint on it. This sari was totally worth its price. The blouse also is amazing. They gave about 1.5 meters material for blouse, and one side of the blouse embroidery work is given. And this blouse is already stitched. I stitched it for as a gift to someone else. And this blouse is basically, I kept the embroidery work all at the back, like here you can see. And these small you know, the latkans and all that, I got it extra added, so these weren't given in the package in itself. That was one thing I expected Ethnic Group to do, because few other companies and few other websites are doing it, but there are very few that give latkans. But the material in itself is more than justifying for the price they ask. and the hands, basically I got it stitched with the georgette material, which is the saree's material. It's kind of georgette and very silky material. So the hands, I wanted it to be slightly transparent, so I got it stitched with georgette material. So that's the thing. The lining wasn't given in the of the blouse, so I had to add lining. And also fall for the saree, you do not need to add fall for the saree, for the blue saree, but when it comes to the black one that I showed you earlier, you might need to add fall for a stiff look, since the saree is very simple and very elegant and very sophisticated in itself. If you're searching for something a little bit heavy but little bit modern and little bit subtle color, pastel color tones, this saree is perfect. When I saw the picture, it looked very fake. Like the picture in itself was a model's picture, and that saree, I did not think that the saree will look like that. But the saree was very nice. In the picture, the embroidery given for the blouse material, they had it all over their hands, and it was a full sleeve blouse, but I did not get it done like that. I got the embroidery all over at the back, and I kept the front simple with short hands, since the person I was going to gift it to wanted short hands. So that's it for this video, and hope you liked both the saree. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Both the sarees link and the prices will be given below in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and leave your comments in the comment section below. See you in the next one. Bye.